So question 3C, it asks you to graph x equals 5. In this case, I don't have y in the equation, it's just x equals 5. So what does that mean, and what kind of lines are these, or is this specifically? So if I look at x and y, okay? This equation is telling me that x equals to 5. Do I have any y in there?
No.
So no matter what y is, what's my x value? 5. So what if y equals to negative 2? What is x? What if y equals negative 1? What is 5? What is x? What if y equals 0? What is x? What if y equals 1? What is x? So this is telling me that x equals 5 no matter what the y value is. So if I come to graph this, my points are going to be 5, negative 2, 5, negative 1, 5, 0, 5, 1, right? So if I want to graph this, so here's where my 5 is on the x-axis. And then if I have 5, negative 2, so that's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, negative 2 is right here. 5, negative 1 is right here. 5, 0 is right here. 5, 1 is right here. 5, 2. So what kind of line is this? What kind of straight line? They're all straight lines. It's a vertical line. That's called a vertical line. Guys, just so you know, this is a straight line, right? A straight line is a line that's straight. It doesn't have to be
There's no deviation.
exactly, right? But the difference is it's not vertical, it's not horizontal. This is an diagonal, right? But the specification for this line, it's a vertical line. So whenever your equation looks like this, x equals to something, that means it's a vertical line that passes through x equals to, in this case, 5. Okay? So without even thinking about it, if I'm given an equation x equals negative 2, for example, right? I just have to go to the negative 2, and I have to draw a vertical line at negative 2. If they gave me an equation x equals to 7, right? I'll just go to the 7. I'll draw a vertical line going down, passing through 7. Okay? So whenever they give you x equals something, you know it's a vertical line. Are we okay with that? Now, if I'm looking at this D, what does D say? Y is negative 3. So in this case, y is going to be negative 3 no matter what x is. Right? It's telling you that y is equal to negative 3 and it's not going to change. No matter what x value you pick. Okay? So if I'm going to graph this, So at x equals negative, y equals negative 3. At x equals negative 1, y equals negative 3. At x equals 0, y equals negative 3. At x equals 1, y equals negative 3. X equals 2, y equals negative 3. What kind of line is this? Horizontal line. Okay? So when your equation look like y equals something, then you know it's a horizontal line. Are we okay with this? What if your equation is y equals 5? Where would that be? Up at 5, right? So I'm going to have to go up to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's a horizontal line at 5.
Can we say it's parallel to the x?
It is parallel to the x-axis, okay? But the line is horizontal line. That's the definition of it. Okay? So y equals to a number, that's a horizontal line. And x equals to a number, that's a vertical line. Okay? Are we good for today? Okay. I think you guys are good for today. Okay, so